of both of us.
Go ahead. Dance. How old are you?
Can you 8 and a half?
8 and a half. And what grade are you going into?
Can you do it?
What grade is that?
3rd grade. She's going in 3rd grade.
Let's do the red girl dances. Go ahead. Look, it's a Charlie.
Look,
oh, it's a doggy. All right, give me the red girl dances some more. Say 3rd grade.
3rd grade, 3rd grade, 3rd
What school are you going into? I'm video, honey. Do you need me to come in there? No, mommy taking a shower in the background.
Can you redo my video?
Nope. Say bye-bye.
My video wasn't good. I didn't know you were taking a video.
So do your video. Go.